Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transform your leggings into a three-piece outfit. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So these are the leggings that I'm going to cut. Actually, this video is inspired by some of the three pieces I saw on Instagram. So the first thing you're supposed to do is mark where you're going to cut, and mark as long or as short as you want. So I wanted mine to be slightly above the knees, and as you can see my leggings are stretchy, so make sure your leggings are stretchy. You can stitch the hem of the shorts, and then this extra piece you can just be creative with it. You can use it as gloves like I'm doing right here. So you're going to wear it like this and then just stitch at the thumb area like this. Yeah, so this can be a two-piece, a short, and gloves. So I cut open the legs because I want to make a top, but then I don't want my top to be small, so I cut the legs and then stitch them together. But since I want to create a mask as well, I decided to cut a piece from one of the legs. To make a mask, you're going to cut a straight line an inch from the edge of the fabric. Just like that, and you have your mask. So you're going to stitch the fabrics together to make your top. That's going to be my back, and this is going to be the front part of my top. So I didn't like how long this top was because I wanted it to be like a crop top, so I decided to fold it like this. So this is our mask and we're going to try it on. So guys, that was it for today. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.